Hi guys, and thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit. Today I'm gonna make a stout beer bread, and usually it goes away very quickly. So I thought to myself, why not share the recipe, right? I hope you like it too. Before we start, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to help it grow. And on top of it, you'd be notified with all the new videos we publish. How good is that? To work the easiest way, you should use a big enough mixing bowl such as this one. See? It's big enough. You also need a strainer, a wooden spoon. A wooden spoon such as this one, and that's pretty much it. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius and use convection. To make a stout beer bread, you will need 3.5 cups of sifted all-purpose flour, a cup of brown sugar, a tablespoon of salt, half a cup of quick oats, and another cup of quick oats to cover the loaves before you bake them. You'll see it's very beautiful, very beautiful, very beautiful, very beautiful. And of course, a pint of stout beer, whatever stout beer you want to use. That's up to you. Pour beer and mix it, but not too much though, because you don't want the flour to develop its gluten. That should do it. Somehow I'd rather end up with a couple of mid-size bread. This is why I use these two pans, you know. Ooh, that's annoying. Some butter to grease the bread pan, such as this one. Evenly pour the remaining quick oats on top of the loaves. And bake it for 35 minutes. Once cooked, leave the bread to cool down in room temperature, and then you will be able to unmold them more easily and cut them. I hope you enjoy watching this video, so please give a thumb up and show your support. You may also want to comment and let me know what you think about this recipe. I think it's very simple, and on top of it, it's very tasty. Also, subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel to be notified about our new videos. It helps us a lot. Thank you for your help. In the meantime, merci, au revoir et à bientôt!